In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom AI tools inside n8n. By the end, your AI agent will be able to call another workflow as a tool, run custom JavaScript tools, and decide when to use each tool automatically. This is how you move from simple chatbots to real AI agents that take action. First, the big picture. You'll create two workflows, the main AI agent and the tool workflow. The agent will call the tool workflow only when it needs to. Think of the flow like this. The user sends a message, the AI decides if it needs help, calls the tool, gets the result, and then replies to the user with a final answer. Let's build the main AI agent. Start with the chat trigger using the WhenChatMessageReceived node. This is your entry point, so every time a message comes in, the workflow starts. Next, add the OpenAI node and set its resource to Assistant. Connect it to the chat trigger. This is the brain of the system. It can respond directly or choose a tool when that's smarter. To make conversations feel natural, add simple memory and connect it to the OpenAI node using the AI memory connection. With memory, the agent can reference previous messages instead of starting from scratch every time. Now, give the AI some tools. First, create a workflow tool. Name the node something like tool to call the workflow below and set the type to tool workflow. Give it a tool name, for example, country capitals tool, and write a clear description with two modes. If it receives the word list, it returns all countries. If it receives a country name, it returns that country's capital. Descriptions matter because the AI reads them to decide when to use a tool. Connect this tool to the OpenAI node using the AI tool connection. Next, add a custom code tool. Name it tool. Get current date and time, set the type to tool code, and add JavaScript that returns the current timestamp in ISO format. Connect it to OpenAI with the AI tool connection as well. Your agent now has two tools available. Build the tool workflow that the agent will call. Use the when executed by another workflow trigger and accept a single input called query. Add an IF node named list countries to check if query equals list. If yes, return a list. If not, find a specific capital. For the list branch, add a code node that returns fictional country capital pairs like Wakanda, Narnia, Gondor, and Oz. Then add a summarize node to concatenate the country names, separated by new lines. Follow that with a set node to output response as the concatenated list. For the match branch, add another code node with the same dataset, then a merge node to match where query equals country using enrich input. 1. Finish with a set node that outputs response as the capital or capital not found if there's no match. Here's how it all connects. The main workflow chains. Chat trigger to OpenAI Assistant, which can call the workflow tool or the date tool. The tool workflow starts only when called, branches on list or match, and returns a clean response. With this setup, your AI can call structured workflows, run JavaScript logic, access dynamic data, and choose the right tool automatically. Replace the fictional example with a Google Sheets lookup, a CRM search, an email sender, a database query, a web scraper, or a social media poster. The same architecture holds. The AI decides, the tool executes, and the AI responds. That's how you automate anything.